Hello everyone, this is Deepak Khatri from Upside Down Labs. In today's video, I'll walk you through the process of uploading Chords Arduino firmware onto your development board. This is required to use our Chords application such as Chords Web and Chords Python. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, you will need to download the latest version of Arduino IDE for your operating system. The direct link is in the description box below. Once the file is downloaded, double-click to open it and install the software. Click I agree, then hit next, install, and then finally click finish. Now, head over to Upside Down Labs GitHub profile and open the Chords Arduino firmware repository. Scroll down to see different firmware options available based on the development board that you have that are compatible with our Chords application. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload the firmware for Arduino Uno R3 and Arduino Uno R4 Minima. The process is similar for other boards. In case of any differences, we have documented it in the Chords Arduino firmware GitHub repository readme file. Now let's start with uploading the firmware for Arduino Uno R3. Simply click on your board name from the supported boards list and copy the firmware. Important tip: avoid downloading the entire folder as we frequently update the firmware. To ensure you always have the latest version, it's best to copy the code instead. Connect your board to your laptop. Open the Arduino IDE and paste the copied code into the editor. Locate your board's name in the code and uncomment only the Uno R3 macro. If you are using a different board from the listed options, uncomment its corresponding macro to ensure error-free code upload. Now go to Tools, select Boards. Here you have to select Arduino AVR boards. Under that, you have to select Arduino Uno. Next, select the COM port by clicking Tools, then Port. Choose the correct port for your development board. Finally, hit the Upload button. You will see the progress bar at the bottom. Now let's upload the firmware for Arduino Uno R4 Minima. To do this, go back to the GitHub repository, click on Arduino Uno R4 Minima /Wi-Fi and copy the firmware. Connect your Arduino Uno R4 Minima or Wi-Fi board to your laptop. Open the Arduino IDE and paste the code into the editor. Now go to Tools, Boards and search for your board name. In case you don't see Arduino Uno R4 boards here, go to Boards Manager, search for Arduino Uno R4 and install the required package. Again, go to Tools to select your board and port. If you are using the latest version of Arduino IDE, click on Select Board, select Other Board and Port and choose Arduino Uno R4 Minima in the board section and your port from the port section. Finally, hit the Upload button. You will see a progress bar at the bottom, and once the code is flashed, you are all set. To visualize the data, open chords.upsidedownlabs.tech. Click on the Visualize Now button, then click on Chords Visualizer. Here you have to select the port to start the application. You can see your signals being visualized on the screen now. Here you can apply bandpass filter according to the biopotential signals you are recording. You can also apply 50 or 60 Hz notch filter. You can select the number of desired channels from the available channels. Zoom in or zoom out of the signal analysis. Configure time base. Pause the data stream and see snapshots for the last 5 frames. Record the data and save it as a CSV file. Delete the recorded files. For more details on Chords Web, check out our complete playlist. The link is in the description box below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more awesome content like this. See you in the next video. Until then, take care, bye bye, keep tinkering.